Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Roku, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on your Roku device, start by ensuring your Roku is connected to the internet. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Navigate to the streaming channels section from the menu. Select search channels. Type Peacock into the search bar. Once you see the Peacock app, select it. Choose the Add Channel option to begin downloading the app. Wait for the installation to complete, then select OK. Return to the home screen and scroll to find the Peacock app. Open the Peacock app by selecting it. When prompted, click on Sign In. You will see a unique activation code on your screen. Now, using a computer or smartphone, open a web browser and go to peacocktv.com/activate. Enter the activation code displayed on your Roku. Follow the prompts to sign in or create a new Peacock account. Once activated, return to your Roku device. The Peacock app should now be ready for use. Enjoy streaming your favorite content on Peacock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.